Hey YouTube, this is Police675 here, and we're gonna play Capture the Item. You know, get that tennis ball in the middle of the field. What else? If you get hit 3 times, you're out for the whole game, but after you got hit, you have to get revived by a medic. It's between your team who the medic is. After 3 times, you're out for good. You need to get that tennis ball and bring it back to your base to win. And, alright. I'm using my M4 here, and I have my pistol, green gas. And, alright, that's Joe. Crazy.
I just paid, and I'm using MP5 and my identical pistol.
And Joe's using the, Walter.
Compact.
Yeah, it's compact, alright.
Richie's using the AK.
That's Richie? Using the AK? Alright, here, hold on. I gotta put my gun down right here. I'll be back. I need to put this camera up. Funny, Joe, funny. We'll see who starts hitting who, Joe. Little Joseph with the pistol. We'll see. Joe, keep talking with the little pistol there.
Greasy stinks and doesn't take showers. Want you to know. Don't talk to him. Ever.
That should be a good picture. Put that down for it. Yeah, the wind's gonna blow that down. I'm telling you.
Let's get it started! Let's get it started! Bro, let's get it started! Put it down, no. Oh! No! Free shot! Shut up! Free shot! Pull it down! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Cover me! Take this! Ah! I would be out. Cover me! Cover me! Gun hit! Gun hit! Gun hit! Cover me, Richard! Alright. New magazine is in. Hit! Alright. You're out. Hayden, you're out. You're eliminated.
You cannot leave the gun control.
Oh, you could. YouTube. Poor old Joe was talking in the beginning. He was talking in the beginning, like I said, and he didn't do anything. So, alright, check out my other videos.